guess I've seen them around. I'll turn it around and see if I can back it up. Let's go. Nice truck out here. He's got some time. I think my time, no matter what I drive, I like to take care of it, but let's see if I can calculate that. I'm gonna know too many nails today. Keep some metal in the road, but I think we're alright. Got my backup cam set up. I got a backup camera I'm gonna put on this thing.